Lists are an essential part of any inbound marketer's toolkit. In this video, let's break down what lists are, how the tool works, and how you can use it to your advantage. Lists are one of my favorite tools in HubSpot because you can use them in more ways than you think. The list tool in HubSpot allows you to create a list of contacts or companies based on property values and other characteristics, including activities. While many users might only use HubSpot lists in a basic way, such as creating simple segments, it's a powerful tool that can be used in many ways to improve your marketing and sales efforts. So some of them include sending marketing emails to a list of contacts, creating a list of bounce contacts, enrolling a list of contacts in workflows, using list membership filters in other lists and custom reports, creating ad audiences, sending customer satisfaction surveys, segmenting chat flows and smart content. And it should be noted for the customer satisfaction surveys one, you can only do this with a static list, not an active list. So let's make a list together in HubSpot. And so in this case, let's make a contact-based list and have it reflect 6 and Flow team members. And our team is growing, so we're going to have this remain an active list. Great. So let's add in a filter where the company properties reflect the company name, reflect 6 and Flow's name. So while we wait for this list to preview, the other thing that you can do is then add an or filter. So for example, if 6 and Flow had a child company and we wanted to pull out the list from either the 6 and Flow parent company or the child company, we would add in an or statement. The best use case for this is if you're collecting data and you want to be able to run people through a list, but they could meet a few different criteria, then you would use the or function. Now, while I'm waiting for that list that we created to save, I thought we would go into what actions you can complete directly on the list section and also viewing list performance. So you can edit the columns. So if your list, you only want to show the first name, last name, company name, and phone number, for example, you could do that. You can export lists if you'd like to send it to somebody, move it to a folder, convert to static, and so forth. But one of the really cool things about lists is the performance tab. So when you're using active lists, you can amend them over time, but ideally they're growing. So as opposed to creating a new list every week and watching it slowly grow and then having 12 different lists, you can just have your active list slowly grow and then report on that. So within the list performance section, you can see how it's grown over time. You can see the contact breakdown. And you can also see in the last 30 days if your contact has also converted on any other pages. So these are some cool things that you can do with lists, and you can get super personalized with them, and they can really impact your marketing and sales activity. So good luck.